We are going to dismantle a dry cell, also called a Leclanché cell or zinc-carbon cell. You need a cell, pliers or screwdriver, a craft knife, scissors, gloves, and kitchen toweling or newspaper to work on. Please take note of the safety hazard of using sharp objects such as a craft knife and screwdriver. Handle these with care so as not to cut yourself. Because of this safety concern, it might be best for your teacher to demonstrate this practical to you rather than you performing it yourself. Cover your work surface. Find the seam of the cell. Pry one of the edges free and pull until you have unwound the outer casing, exposing a plastic layer underneath. As you do this, the top plate, which formed the positive terminal, will come loose. This is connected to a carbon rod, which is the cell's positive electrode. Cut down the length of the plastic layer and pull it free, exposing a grey-coloured zinc layer. Zinc should preferably not come in contact with your skin, so make sure you are wearing gloves. Remove the bottom plate. This had served as the cell's negative terminal. It was connected to the zinc casing. When the cell was working, zinc atoms from the casing were oxidized to zinc ions with the release of electrons. These electrons gathered on the casing and this plate, charging them negatively. Since oxidation occurred here, it was the anode. Cut through the zinc using the craft knife and bend it backwards. Now you will see a black paste. This is ammonium chloride, zinc chloride, and manganese dioxide. Pull out the carbon electrode. This is the cell's cathode. When the cell was working, reduction occurred here. A chemical reaction at the cathode caused electrons to be taken away from it, charging it positively. You shouldn't throw the zinc from your dismantled cell away. It should rather be recycled or used, since it is an environmental hazard. You could cut it into strips and use it for laboratory work, for example in electrochemical experiments, or to produce hydrogen gas by reacting the zinc with an acid. If you dismantle 2 cells, you will have 2 carbon electrodes, which you could use as the 2 electrodes for an electrolytic cell. Fold the rest of the cell's contents up securely and throw this away.